In this session, we are going to discuss increment and decrement operators in C. Increment operator is indicated by double plus symbols. Decrement is indicated by double minus symbols. Note that this is not a regular addition and subtraction. These operators are special ones and they are used in a different way than the regular arithmetic addition and subtraction. Increment operator, that is plus plus, increments the value of variable by 1. Decrement operator minus minus decrements the value of the variable by 1. Both operators can be applied in two different ways. Either we can use it prefix to the variable or we can apply it as a postfix to the variable. Let's have a simple example. Suppose there is an integer variable a with the value 5. If we perform plus plus a, then the value of a will become 6. If we again perform a plus plus, note that earlier it was prefix plus plus to a, whereas here it is a postfix plus plus to a. Still it will increment the value of a by 1 and the value of a will become 7. In similar way, I can apply the decrement operation, that is minus minus a will make the value of a to be equal to 6. And if we apply the postfix decrement, that is a minus minus, it will make the value of a to be equal to 5. So this is the way we can apply the increment and decrement operators. But note that here we have used both prefix as well as a postfix notation, and this example do not tell you clear difference between prefix and postfix application of the increment and decrement operators. So that we will discuss in more details in the next slide. Let's understand the difference between prefix and postfix evaluation of the increment and decrement operators. Let's discuss prefix application of the operators on the variable. Here the value of the variable is incremented or decremented first and then it is used inside the expression. So first you are going to do the actual incrementation or decrementation, and then later you are going to use that new updated value in the expression evaluation. If we are applying the postfix version of the operators on the variable, then the value of the variable is used first in the expression and then later it is either incremented or decremented. Prefix means make the immediate changes in the variable by application of the increment or decrement and then later use that updated value in the expression. Postfix means first evaluate the expression using old value and then later increment or decrement the value of the variable. Let's have a simple example and then this difference will be more clear. Note that in this program I have declared three integer variables, that is a, b, c. The value of a is initially initialized to 5 on the line number 5. On line number 6 I am using pre-decrement on the variable a. Let's see how this expression is executed. So pre-decrement will decrement the value of a immediately. The value of a is initially 5. After performing pre-decrement it will become 4. So the value of a will become 4 and later this expression is evaluated and then the value of b will also become the 4. So due to line number 6 we will have the value of a to be equal to 4 as well as the value of b to be equal to 4. So here is the output. First line is displayed as a is having the value 4 and the value of b is also 4. Let's focus on the line number 8. Here we are applying the post decrement on the variable b. Since we are using post decrement operation, old value of b is assigned to c and later the value of b is decremented by 1. So c will get the value 4 because it is old value of the b. After doing this expression, the b is actually decremented by 1 and that's why the value of b will become 3. So this example demonstrates the clear difference between the application of postfix and prefix decrement operations. You can apply similar logic to the prefix as well as postfix increment operations. So in the next session, we are going to discuss conditional and size of operators in more detail. Thank you. See you again.